Hey guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve purchases on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve purchases on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to Clash of Clans. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.